Hello everyone, this is V Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today's video is a feature for ScrapDivaDesigns.com. I am featuring the file folder mini album die set. It has been restocked. I do have a project that I created with this. I will have that video linked below. So I'm not going to use all 24 pieces. It does come with 24 pieces. The approximate size of the mini folder is 3 7/8 by 5 3/4 of an inch. And so I'm just going to use the larger base and the larger layering piece. And I cut 4 of those layering pieces out. 1 for the front cover, the back cover, and 2 for the inside. And I'm also using 2 pieces for the base. I'm also using some cut files from the Silhouette Design Store. I also want to mention that I am making this file folder a ghost theme because I am part of Andrea, who's Crafty Mom of 2 here on YouTube and Instagram, challenge of Jack-o'-lanterns of mayhem. That is a hashtag. Follow the hashtag to see all of the other creators creating with her challenge. So the challenge for this week is ghost theme. So every week of May she had a theme, and next week is going to be jack-o'-lanterns. So this week is ghost, last week was bats, and the first week was witches. And so I will share I did join the witches week. I didn't join the bats, but I'm here for the ghost, and I will be here for the jack-o'-lanterns. So I'm also sharing some chipboard pieces as well as some pics here. I love the coffin. The coffin is a cut file. The spider web is a die cut. I will have that linked below. The little pink ghost is a die cut. I will have that linked below. I did make some ribbon paper clips. I did make those before. I made some in December of 2022 for Christmas. I will have that mini album that I shared that in linked below so you can see that. So here's the base here, and I just cut one of the flaps off to glue the 2 pieces together. I'm also using the tab, and that is the smaller, longer tab. So you get multiple tabs in the die set. So I'm just going to use one for this one because it's a very simple file folder just to house all of my die cuts. So I'm using this ribbon from Hobby Lobby. I picked that up a while ago, so I'm not sure if it's still available. However, I thought it matched the collection. This collection is DCWV Halloween Party Collection, and I used this last year for 2022, and I love it. It's my favorite right now, besides Hey Pumpkin. So we can't find the Hey Pumpkin collection anymore, so this I'm sticking with until it's all done. So I did glue my ribbon with some hot glue. You can use any type of adhesive that you'd like. I also glued down the front cover and the back cover. Not the back cover yet, but I'm going to glue down this tab first because you want to do that first before you glue the back cover and the inside covers. So you want to do that to hide the edges of that tab. So as you can see here, for the front cover and back cover, I did stitch some bats. So those are puffy stickers. For the pockets, I'm using this die here. It's the pocket die that comes in the die set. You get 3 sizes, and so you do get 3 of those. So these ghosts here are cut files from the Silhouette Design Store. I will have all of that linked below. So for the ghost, I wanted to do like a trifold for this folder, and decided to go with the floating ghost instead. So what I did here was just cut a piece off of that extra base third piece that I have here. What you would want to do is just cut a 1 inch by 1 inch square and fold it in half, and there you'll have your fold for making a floating ghost. So here I just wanted to do it freehand and did it freehand. So just do a 1 inch by 1 inch and you're good to go. So here is my little ghost here. I added a word piece there from the collection, and I added some stitching to form an X on it. I thought it was cute to put an X there for Halloween, and also some stitching around the border of the ghost. So it is a cut file, so I will have that linked below as well. And I did modify it a little bit, so I'm not sure if you would be able to do that or not, but that's what I did there. The ghost is a cut file through the Silhouette Design Store, and I believe it's a banner, and so like the top of the head is cut off, so I had to make a head. So I had to make a head and include that piece there because I wanted that ghost. So this ghost here that I'm cutting in half is also a cut file. So I also included a base, and that's the black, and that does not come with the file. So you'd have to make your own base, and that's what I did here. Made my own base, did a lining for it, and cut them in half, glued them on here, and now it is a feature for the pocket. So I just love doing that with my mini albums, and so wanted to do it here for the file folder. So now I'm gluing down the floating ghost. I thought it was cute to have the floating ghost there. Maybe I should have added more on, maybe another on the other side or in the middle. Have plenty of floating ghost everywhere. So that would have been fun to have a bunch of folds of ghost everywhere. Maybe next time, we'll see. But I'm gluing that with some hot glue. And if I would have to do this different, I think I would have used a different color paper there. Maybe black and white or some hot pink or possibly some ribbon even, just to have that floating ghost there and have it last long. So for the coffin there, as you can see the word boo, I'm using a mini heart alpha and number die set from ScrapDiva. It comes with 36 pieces, and you get the alphas and the numbers. And I did it in pink and also added some X's on each word, just to for Halloween, you know, X everywhere. X marks the spot. So okay, so for the front, I'm adding these felt ghosts that I die cut using a die. It's a Biggs die. I'll have that link below as well. Added an X there. Did some hand stitching of some silver and added some chipboard pieces to the front. And those came from a different collection. I love my coffins. I think the pink just stands out so much with the black, and it just looks so vibrant. I snuck in some of these skeleton heads. I know they're not ghosts, but since they're white, they go with the theme. And I just love them. I think I did some skeleton heads 2 years ago for, I think it was, I can't even remember. But yeah, I did that before. And so here it is, you guys. It is a chunky little file folder, and I just love how it looks. And I added some wording on the back and did some stitching, and this concludes the video. If you guys like this video, follow the hashtag, that's ScrapDiva Designs hashtag, to see other creators creating with her dies. I have a discount code for you. It's V10%. That's VEE10 and the percent sign. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.